Pintu teater 1 telah dibuka. Para penonton yang telah memiliki karcis dipersilakan memasuki ruangan teater.
Kita lagi ini menuju puncak Auto Rumpun, guys.
Saying I love you, it's not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want you not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel more than words. It's all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. La da 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 da. Now that I've tried to talk to you and make you understand, all that you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hands and touch me. Hold me close, don't ever let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I
Makanya Karajo tuh menyewakan kucing pagi. Dapat tadi dia. Menyapu. Dapat tadi dia. Ya, tu cabut-cabut rumput. Jangan duit dah putih. Itu kami nama duduk. Bang dia Bang John. Bang John kan? Bang John Bang Malek dah talok ni. Bang John kan? Bang Malek kalau tanjak tadi tak. Ni dek Bang Malek dah talok tanjak tadi. Bang tempo dah ada tanjakan dia. Tiga. Aduh. Halo.
Kalau Om Jon?
Jadi lupa. Bisa namanya dia.
Sana.
Kita sampai pernah. Kalau kami kan
Wah, kok glowing, Bang? Oman glowing.
Malang nasibnya gak mau padati.
luar biasa.
Sebenarnya Om Alex itu
Itu yang punya merek
Menjerit batinnya mana?
Chinese
balah.
atau BM Black Market.
Apa kerja Om Jon ini Om Alex? Kan jaga.
Correct. Tidak lama Pak ini sama komisaris doh. Jajan nang seibu beliaunya. Tidak boleh nelayan doh nang seibu kan ya. Kalau lebih dari seibu bayi surang.
I know I've been changed, Lord, and I know I've been changed. The angels in heaven don't sign my name, and I know I've been changed. I know I've been changed, Lord, and I know I've been changed. The angels in heaven don't sign my name. The angels in heaven don't sign my name. One day I was walking along. my name. I got my ticket in my right hand. Angels in the heaven gonna sign my name. I'm on my way to the promised land. Angels in the heaven gonna sign my name. If you don't believe that I've been redeemed, the angels in the heaven gonna sign my name. Just follow me down to the Jordan stream.
Nampak glowing. Kita sempat mengunjungi masjid tertua di Tanah Datar yang sudah berusia 300 tahun. Nah, itulah masjid. Tapi karena sesuai usia udah ada perbaikan di sana sini, termasuk mungkin atap. Tapi dari segi ornamen atapnya mungkin tidak berubah.
Bosin godong.
Makan cik lu.
Jam berapa makannya?
Setengah 3.
3:30.
Ya, kalau bukan basing dada nggak sanggup.
Cuma baseng kada yang makan siang jam 2:30. Nampak susu orang litak tu.
Electroplex.